The chapter, the Silk Road, it was completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood
ma'am.
by all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
today you just open the book and see the questions that you are supposed to do. Taken out the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the very first question? What is the very first question?
Ma'am, understanding the text. Give reason for the
Understanding the
following.
text, okay? Now she gave reasons for the following statements. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are the questions. Why? Because you have to give reasons, okay? So these are the subparts of the first question. The article has been titled Silk Road. This is the very first question. You want to write down the answer? Should I dictate the answers or you will do it on your own?
Ma'am,
Yes,
we will do it. Ma'am, we will do it.
I want majority to answer.
Mhm.
You are not the only one, Divyansh. I want everybody to answer. Beta, you can do it, but what about others?
Yes, ma'am, we will do it.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so this lesson, it is an article about the journey on the main east-west highway, okay? And that was the old trade route from Lhasa to Kashmir. Okay? So this route, it was once used by the traders to bring silk from Kashmir. से silk लेकर आते थे, इसलिए it has been named as Silk Road. समझ गए? Tibetan mastiffs were popular in China's imperial courts. क्यों? क्योंकि ये powerful hunting dogs होते थे. तुमने देखा था ना जो nomads वगैरह के टेंट्स थे वहां पर, these mastiffs, they were standing and they were guarding them. Okay, तो Chinese imperial courts में भी इन mastiffs को रखा जाता था. Why? Because they were powerful hunting dogs. Okay. फिर the author's experience at Hor was in stark contrast, means opposite it was. He thought that Hor was a beautiful place, a very neat and tidy place, but it happened, it occurred opposite to him. Got it? Why? Because actually he heard something from a Japanese monk that he was so moved by the purity of the sacred lake Mansarovar that he burst into tears. Okay. And similarly, Seven Headed, Swedish tha, even he spoke so highly about this place. But when author he himself visits this place, he finds that it was a very dirty place, a very miserable, lot of dust was there was no vegetation. Okay, only dust and rocks he could find there, right? The author was disappointed with Darjan. अब whole place से तो disappoint हुआ, लेकिन Darjan से भी disappoint हुआ. Actually क्या होता था, Darjan, ये माना जाता था, it was the bustling place for the pilgrims to reach there. Okay, pilgrims को उसमें पहुंचते थे. ठीक है, बहुत रश पहुंचता था उनका. But when he visits, he did not find any pilgrims there. और फिर उसके अलावा काफी वो भी होर की तरह काफी डेजर्टेड प्लेस था. ठीक है, और उसको तो ये लगा था कि पिलग्रिम्स मिलेंगे तो उनकी कंपनी में ही इज गोइंग टू कंप्लीट द कोरा, है ना, जो माउंट कैलाश के चारों तरफ जो चक्कर काटेगा वो अपनी तीर्थ यात्रा पूरी करेगा बाय डूइंग द कोरा दैट ही वुड complete. Okay, तो वहां जाके उसको लगा कि यहाँ तो कुछ भी नहीं है. None of the pilgrims could he see. Why? Because actually that was not the season of pilgrimage. तो वो अपने आप को एक positive thinking देता है कि he is going to wait for the pilgrims and then he could go with them for the Kora. समझ गए बेटा? Or author thought that his positive thinking strategy worked well after all. कैसे work हुई बताओ? Positive thinking. How did it work? Last में we did something that showed yes, positivity. You know, it was there in him, and that positivity it worked. How? Hurry up, tell me. How did it work? Yes, beta. All are silent. Nobody knows. Yesterday I did, and I told you that the positivity it worked. What was it? Yes, Divyansh. वैसे तो बहुत बोलते हो, अभी क्या जवाब नहीं आ रहा है बेटा? यस दिव्यांश, एकदम से गायब हो जाएंगे ये. मोनिका, सोनाली चौधरी, hurry up, come out with the answers. Kaushal Lakhotia. Now Divyansh Maheshwari is back. He might have tried to read and now he is back. Kaushal.
Yes, ma'am.
कोई क्वेश्चन पूछा है मैंने? Listen children, if you do not answer, then don't attend my class. You do not get time to revise. It happens in every class. Why is it so? I'm going to ask the students, and if you do not answer, I'm going to remove you. And every day I'll do it now. Whether I revise the previous chapter or I'll begin with the new one. No need to attend my class if you are not attentive. You do not get any time to revise it. Yes, Kaushal. Sonali Chaudhary, Monica, Gunjan, come out with the answers. Hurry up. Yesterday I did it with you. Hardly a day passed and everything, you know, it vanishes, it disappears from your mind. Sonali Chaudhary. Monica. Kashish Khandelwal. You remember the answer? Kashish. Yashraj Prajapati, what is the answer? यशराज, आवाज आ रही है मेरी? Harsh Chaparwal. Harsh Chaparwal. Yes. What is the answer? The author thought that his positive thinking strategy, it worked. How did it work? How did it work? Nakul?
Ma'am, he met Nobru in a cafe with that he means ma'am, he and Nobru both hadn't went to Kailash, but the Nobru had written academics about the Kailash Korak, so he think that the narrator was also alone, so he found the companion to visit the Kailash Parvat.
Okay,
So,
very, very good. Very good, Nakul. Good, keep it up. Kashish? Yes, Kashish. Are you Kashish Khandelwal only? How many Kashish are there in this class?
I'm Kashish Jain.
This is Kashish Jain. And this? ये कौन है?
Kashish Khusharani.
Okay, then you should type your full name. Sayukta?
Kashish Khusharani.
Okay, okay, fine. Sayukta, come out with the answer. Divyansh, you don't need to attend the class anymore. Sayukta, come out with the answer. You will revise the chapter, otherwise I'm going to note down the names and I'll not let you attend the class anymore. I'll not let you attend the classes anymore. Mind it.